M3 CS, guys.
I mean, the way how you handle the car, you cannot even do it.
We done made it to the first car today. Is it M4? Hell no, it's the M3. M3 CS, guys. What do you guys think about this car? This is my favorite BMW ever. I know, I'm buying an M5, right? Crazy. M5 is mainly for content. It's not to keep forever, okay? But coming from a bigger car like a Hellcat, I want a bigger car because I got 2 kids, so M3 CS wouldn't cut it, right? So that's how I'm grabbing an M5. But this is my favorite BMW of all time, man. They do have a satin wrap, like a satin PPF on it. It's real nice. I like it. It's beautiful, man. Carbon fiber, everything. Owner's manual in a used car. That's unheard of, right?
Yeah.
It's pretty quiet.
Right?
Until you put it in Sport Plus everything, right? Can you pop the bonnet for me?
Sure.
I love the interior. And I love the fact that it says CS right there, man. And it says M3 CS on the door too.
On the door too, yeah.
Oh wow. The holes in the seat. That's crazy.
So sporty.
Yeah.
At the same time, you have space.
That's what I need, you know what I'm saying? That's what I was telling him, either I don't know, you know? Carbon fiber, what?
Yeah.
Wow.
Gears
and stuff. Yeah. Carbon fiber strut, everything. I love it. It smells so good, man. What you guys running, bro? It smells good. Stock everything. That's good, because with a BMW you don't want to be touched.
Yeah.
But they can blow into it easy.
There you go.
I like it so far, brother. So out of it and the Alfa Romeo, you would go with it? M3. What do you guys think about the M3 CS? It's my favorite BMW ever. Day of content, guys. We're making a lot of content today, so you guys can have some videos, because I ain't got nothing to post. So I hit up some places, you know what I'm saying? And we're making some videos, man. They got a lot of fancy cars out here. There's the Alfa Romeo Nürburgring edition. Ferrari, Porsche. Ooh. A Liberty Walk Aventador. Wow. This is nice. Sounds good. This is fire, bro. Another Aventador. What I gotta do to get that? I need that.
Put it to the side, get you go.
And then you have to touch it because the DCT.
There you go.
Got a fat steering wheel.
Right?
Yeah.
Alcantara.
Left or right?
Right.
I want to make sure I don't scrape this carbon fiber lip.
Oh yeah.
Even I do want to hear it, so maybe go down windows a little bit. Left or right?
To the right. Always to the right.
It's touchy. Make sure the seat is good.
To the right. Go ahead.
Very touchy. You hear the turbo?
Yeah.
What?
That's sick.
No way. On a stock car.
Yeah, there you go.
It's not warm, so you're not gonna get all the verbals yet. No way you hear the turbos on a stock car, bro.
There you go.
No way. M3 CS. It's like how much? It's like almost 500, right?
It's a 500 change, 543 if I'm not
Oh
wrong.
wow. What's his M1 MDM? Start stop is on, right?
Let me check for you. No.
All right, it just turned off. And the heads-up display is huge.
Yeah. Everything on that car is.
It's a top dog.
It's a top dog.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's warm now. got the headlights in the mirror. I love the little angel lights.
Yeah.
I love it.
The thing it is about the stealth PPF at night.
Yeah.
The car's
It looks crazy at night.
crazy at night.
Wow, feel it touchy?
Yeah.
What the heck? Alright. Floor it. You ready?
Straight.
It spun a little bit.
There you go.
Wow. It was spinning. Traction is in MDM. It's not even off.
There you go.
Wow. Have you driven any of the new Jadis?
Oh yeah.
So which one you prefer?
That one.
This one?
This one. Way better. Way better.
The little burbles, bro.
Yeah.
We're going straight.
Go straight.
So we can floor it off the light?
There you go.
It shouldn't spin up, right? Not too much?
Not too much.
Okay. Well, for my
There's
Hellcat,
police over here everywhere, so.
I hope it doesn't go sideways too much. My Hellcat was 730 wheel horsepower. You could never floor it from a light. My brother has a Hellcat Durango. That does 0 to 60 in like 3 seconds. So, alright, I'm gonna floor it. You ready?
There we go.
Wow. Wow, bro. What kind of tires it got on it? That shit great. Yo, it took off. I'm liking it.
Super cool, dog.
And I can't believe it's gripping so easy. Take it to the corner. Traffic.
Traffic. Keeping it right over here. Go straight. On the another traffic light, we gotta go to the right.
Okay. I'm liking it. And you know, the thing is gonna handle better than an M5.
Oh yeah.
It's gonna basically handle better than any other BMW. It's an M3. It's a small one.
Yeah, I mean, the way how you handle the car,
Yeah.
you cannot even compare with the. Just be careful, the policeman over here.
Oh shit! Slow it down. Slow it down, buddy. We ain't trying to get no
You
tickets.
can go. You can go.
No tickets. And then you can just chill and it's calm. Wow.
It's a nice car.
I love it. What the hell? The M3 is too small for me, you know?
No, I mean, you know those cars. You can go to the right of it. You know those kind of cars that you look at. Oh, it's no space inside, but then when they get in,
Yeah, you actually got space.
you got space.
It sounds so nice.
Oh yeah. So that's my always thing with in the Alfa Romeo too, which is Italian parts.
Yeah.
So you don't want to mess up with that too.
Yeah, that's the thing. And the Alfa Romeo is Italian.
Italian.
It's basically a Ferrari engine without 2 cylinders.
There we go. And to the left.
And the DCT feels nice.
Feels nice, right?
Shifts instant. I'll make sure I don't scrape that carbon fiber front splitter, you know what I'm saying? What? The sounds this thing make? Somebody did a burnout right there.